Good morning, friends, and welcome for Nifty analysis from sharetrading.school.com. Today, 26th April 2016. If you remember in yesterday's analysis, when we have showed head and shoulder formation of a Nifty, when we had converted this bar chart into line chart, and in as per line chart, we have said that Nifty hourly chart is showing us a head and shoulder formation wherein this was a neckline which we had plotted, and we have said that this part will act as a left shoulder, this should be head, and this is right shoulder. And then we had taken a first target, that is 50 EMA, and which is a height of head, which were around this 7840, which it had tested. And as per hourly chart, once that support was tested, then we could see that there is a bounce, and this bounce has been seen. Now expecting this 20 EMA in hourly chart should act as a resistance, that is placed at 7876. 7876 as current level should act as a resistance. That means this is a current trend line which is should act as a, this line should act as a current trend line, which is a trending line, which is a downtrend line. So this is hourly chart trend line, and as per hourly chart we have already tested a resistance there. So this trend line and 20 EMA both are almost at the same level. So support at 50 EMA, that is 7840, and resistance at this trend line and 20 EMA, which is 7876. Expecting market to open near this 50 EMA 7840. Once the support is breached, which has tested a very strong support almost for 4 hours, this support twice it has breached, and I could close above this for 2 hours consistently. That shows that bulls are really giving tough fight, and sentiments, bullish sentiments are strong in market. Hence this correction is actually a pure correction and not a bearish trend. However, bulls may give up today, because if it is again tested a resistance and then comes at this level of 50 EMA, then price should move down. If yesterday's low, that is this low, which I'll show you by this 7827, so 7825 is breached, then today we will see a bearish trend. I repeat, value 7825 breached, then we will see a bearishness in market today. And then next support, which yesterday we have talked about, 7772 should be a target for Nifty today or coming to two trading sessions. So what we will do is, yesterday's one lot which is open at this moment, which we have shorted and booked profit at 50 EMA once it has tested a support with one lot, and one lot we kept open. Today we will keep that one lot open, but we will re-enter with a new fresh short below 7827. Rather, we will make it round figure 7825. Below 7825 we will go short, and we will keep target of 7772. Remember, this is a correction and this is not a downtrend. Technically we are in a correction, not in a downtrend in daily chart. Stochastic, which we can see, is a oversold range, so recovery is expected here. But you know, this stochastic is very sharp indicator. Probably small recovery it will show, or it will go sideways and still market further falls down. So as per hourly chart, we could see the strategy is very clear. Below 7825 will short, target 7772. To justify this, we will convert this chart into 2 hourly chart, and if you see in 2 hourly chart also, then we will have a quite clarity. In as per 2 hourly chart, we have been testing this 20 EMA as already a resistance, and as per that 7789 is the target. 7789, this is a 50 EMA, whereas last accumulation is around 7772. and hence we have taken a target of 7772, and there is a gap also as far as intraday chart is concerned. So this gap also should act as a support. So two hourly chart also justifies our strategy. Now 4 hourly chart, if you convert it into the 4 hourly chart, then there will be, as per 4 hourly chart, slightest support at 7812, that is a 20 EMA. So remember, once we shot below 7825, we may see a support at 7812. So that level we will have to be little cautious. As far as daily chart is concerned, if we see a daily chart, I'll just convert it into the daily chart. A slight study we will do, much bigger, with bigger scope. I have plotted this Fibonacci principle fan, which we can see it is in a red color line, and blue color line is Fibonacci retracement level. If you see this, we have plotted at the highest high of Nifty, that is 9119, and since then swing low which we have taken here at 6825, and both the fan and retracement which we have plotted at this level. If you see, Nifty had tested a resistance at 7927, which we have discussed earlier in this previous few videos. So why 7927 was a very good and very strong resistance, and we have given a justification about that because it had acted as a resistance many times, and now again it will act, and indeed it acted. Now below this we can see, as far as retracement is concerned, 7701 is actually a support level. 7701, so I'll make it as a round figure. 7700 should act as a strong support, and that would be a target. But then before that we will see a 7772 or 7777, which is a previous high or a previous strong resistance. Now as far as Fibonacci fan also, if you see, I will just float it because that will be giving a very clear picture. This Fibonacci fan is also showing strong support beforehand. If you see this black line which I have plotted, which is the previous high, previous support, and even in the gap. Now if you see today, since it's a daily chart, market will open here. If yesterday's low is breach, which is here, which you can see around this level, if this level is breached, then we should see a support at this black line and red line crossing, which is somewhere here. So both of them are giving us a strong support here. Remember, whenever we have seen resistance around Fibonacci, and when price moves down, we have tested a support in the past at Fibonacci fan almost twice here. So indeed we will see a support at this Fibonacci fan and previous high. If at all this breaches, if at all 7777 or 72, which we have said earlier, so we will make it as a very easy figure to remember. Our target will be 7777. If this level breach, then and only then we may see 7700. So today's strategy, if in case Nifty breaches yesterday's low, which we have said that 7825, if 7825 breached, then we will keep our first target 7777, and if in case it goes beyond that, which is very difficult, very difficult, very difficult, but even if it crosses that, then we will keep a target of 7700. So if in case at the end of the day Nifty we find struggling to cross 7777, better to exit completely from trade. Do not keep open trade for tomorrow, since it's last week of the month. So it will be better to re-enter open, reopen your trade every day instead of keeping it overnight. Market is in a no trade zone. Trading in this market will be difficult, and hence requesting you to keep your stop loss at place. And as far as daily chart is concerned, intraday chart is concerned, I'll just show you what should be our stop loss today if we will initiate this strategy. Our stop loss should be around 7923 for short sale. So thank you very much and happy trading, and wish you best of luck.